Hello Shares, welcome to another video. For this video I have an unboxing. It is the mouse VXE. This one is the R1 series. There are three models for this mouse. The one that I got, I believe, is the medium size. No, this is the Pro Max, as you can see here. Yeah, this is the Pro Max version of it, and this mouse has three models. I think is the Pro Max, and the simple one. And this dongle right here comes separated. You can get it or not get it. It's optional. You don't really need it, but I just bought because I wanted to test it. These are 4K. It basically improves the speed of response between the mouse and your computer. So we'll start with the mouse. In this case, it comes well packed. Ooh, I like the way that you unbox this one. As soon as you open it, you'll find the first thing is the mouse inside this bag here. I'll keep it in the side. There's this foam. Yeah, it is a box which brings us the cable. This cable is a flexible cable, very good material, looks good. And if you are one of those guys who likes to use a cable, this cable is pretty flexible and it's lightweight. It just feels like a piece of cloth. The manual, the user manual, I am not the guy who reads a lot of user manual. It's in Chinese and English, so if you speak Portuguese or any other language, you'll have to translate this one, but at least they have English, right? It comes with these strips, these stickers that you can put, and they feel like rubber. It's good if you have wetty hands. You will need these ones. And then the last one, I think this is the same thing, comes with this one, but this is for the scroll wheel, I guess, scroll wheel and side clip. For the cable, you get this dongle here. It's like the cable, right, the one that you use, and the adapter, which you can plug directly on your computer, or you can use this as an extender if your computer is a little bit far. It's good to have these ones. I used before, I was using the G304, this mouse right here, which also comes with the same thing. Right now it's plugged on my computer. I won't be able to show you guys, but I'll keep an image there just for you guys to have an idea of it. So going from that and having the same thing here, it's amazing. And for a Chinese mouse, this mouse is around 40. It goes between 40 to $60. I'll keep the price for each models there in the screen for you. Oh, okay, I forgot one more thing. There is this warranty card if you are in China, or this one specifically came from Singapore. So if you are in China or Singapore, I think you'll have this warranty which will help you. Probably it's a year warranty or so. Unfortunately, I'm not there, so I won't be using that warranty. So here's the mouse. Let me tell you guys, the mouse is very light, super light. I was using G304 and I thought this mouse is light. Like, you guys, this mouse has a battery, right? Like a normal battery, which you can put in there. And it's very light. It's like very light. I also have like other mouses that I use at work, which are heavier than this. And me catching these, it feels like I'm using the G304 without the even without the battery. It's more heavy than this one. I don't have here a way to show you guys the weight, but wow, this is like super light. It looks like there's nothing inside the mouse. Holy. And for reference, this is one of the heaviest ones, because the models, as I showed you before, this is the Pro Max version. What makes each model basically is the battery. For other small models, they have like smaller batteries. So I said, man, I'll risk taking a larger battery, and I did, and yet it is like super light, super light. Okay, you can open this one here as I did. You can keep your dongle inside here, and then you close it up and you're ready to go. You can take it to travel, to work, anywhere you want to go. And you turn on the mouse from here. As you saw, like I turned it on, a green light came up, and then you can change the DPI also from here. You will have a software. I leave the software in the description, and I'll also show you in the screen when we switch to the computer. But man, I'm amazed with this. This is good, good. And as you see here in the side, here is the label. It's reflecting the light, but it's written VXE R1 Pro Max. Here is the sound test for you guys to hear. I will be testing the side buttons right now. Now I'm going for the right click and left click. Now I'm going for the scroll wheel click. And this is the scroll. I have a smaller hand. For me, the grip is perfect because it goes as good as the R301. It's very similar to the R301 in the grip. If you guys have like small hands like mine, you'll be like very okay with this one. I was using R304, G304, the mouse. So if you have this as reference, you can check the length and width of this one and then compare with that. Let's finish the unboxing with the 4K Smart Speed Wireless. Basically, this one makes the wireless response to go to 4K Hertz. Let's see, let me cut this one here. Don't mind my knife. I don't have an unboxing knife yet. Oh, almost cut it myself there. Done. I went so deep on this one. I'm not used to this kind of thing, so don't judge me, okay? I will also leave the links to buy the mouse and everything in the description, just to make sure for you guys. Ooh, okay. As soon as you open it, you get the user manual, which is in Chinese as well. And then here you have the dongle. I know this dongle will bring you guys a lot of doubts. Oh, these are cheating stuff. No, it is not. Basically, you will connect the extender right here. First, let's finish with the box, right? There's nothing else in the box. Okay, so basically here in the dongle, you have this small space here, which lights up, and it will show you the battery life. When it's green, it's between 30 to 100%. When it's yellow, it's between 30 to 10%. When it's red, it's below 10%. And you will connect the cable, any cable type C, right here. And then these will be the one that will be connecting and interacting with the mouse, which sounds good. I will test it and I will tell you guys how to set it up. So let's go to the computer. Now here on the computer we are connected to our mouse. I already downloaded the software, but I'll show you guys how to get the Dragonfly R1 software. To get the software, you just need to open your browser. In this case I'm using Opera, and then you go to Google. Simple as that. When you are in Google, you just search there Dragonfly R1 software. I will leave the link of the software in the description, but just in case you want to search this somewhere other place, you just search this way. And then you see the VGN hub. This one is the one that we want. You click that link, is the first link, and then you see here the download link. You click to download. It's around 200 MBs, yeah, 232. So you download it. As soon as the file finished downloading, I cannot download here because I'm in private mode, but I will show you guys right here. You can see here the 80K VHub 2.3. blah 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 that already downloaded. You can see it's this one, and after you downloading it, it will show like this. So you open the app. The instructions are pretty easy. I will open for you guys. I don't know if I'll be able to install it again because I already have the software. But you just open the software, follow the steps. Anyone on this computer, yes, next. You click yes, right? You choose the place where you want to install it. For me, it's here, and then you click install. I will not install it because I already have it. If you find any difficult installing it, just leave in the comments below. I will try to help you out. So after downloading and installing the Dragonfly, this app here, the Dragonfly R1 software, first to change the language. When it comes, it's in Chinese. I already changed my language. It will be something like this. I don't know if it's this one or this one, but either way it will be like this. And when you open, it will be in this menu here. So you just come here to the three dots. As soon as you click there, you'll see this engine kind of thing, and then you click there and you come here and you select English. Simple as that. Now your software is in English. We can start from there. The first thing you need to do is you will see your mouse here. In this case, I'm using the R1 Pro, the one that I just unboxed, and you click there and then you come to other settings. So once you come here, you will see that I'm using the 2.4 gigahertz firmware, but we have the 4K dongle, so we want to change that to 4K dongle. And first, before we do that, to change your mouse here, if it's not the current color, you just change. Before it was in orange, but I'm changing to lemon yellow, which is the color of my mouse. And to put the 4K dongle, you just come here to pair receiver and then you click pair. Here it's showing the 1K dongle, so I'm switching it up to the 4K Dragonfly, which I had and I showed you guys before. Then you click continue. Here it gives you instructions. Insert the F1 receiver that needs to be paired, remove unnecessary F1 receivers, unplug the data cable connected to the F1. So what I will do now is I will remove the F1. I'm unplugging my mouse from the computer. You saw that I did unplug. Now I cannot move my mouse. What I will do is from the keyboard, if you have any other mice connected, just disconnect it. Make sure that you just leave your keyboard connected for this specific step. So then you click enter on your keyboard and you'll see it will give you instructions to press the left, middle and right keys. I will try to show you guys here in the side. And then soon as you do that, your mouse will blink. That small light that I was asking you guys for, what is that before, and your mouse now will be connected to the 4K dongle. Now you can see here it changed. It's showing there Dragonfly R1 Pro Max. It is showing that it's connected in 4K right there. That's how you connect it. I have been using the mouse for a little bit. I did play a little bit of Apex Legends. It's going smoothly. I'm even like better in my aim. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed yet, and share this video with all your friends.